Mama Akwaba wa frame Adjoa searching mesrel now wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo eye Komenda elimina Komenda edina elimina mpate mo fo no mo kase eye Honorable Samuel Atta Mills eye former president awonya ne baby call Papa Atta Mills ninua awoye MP ewo ho no money ne kase omo chesa video mo abro betu no because ne party NDC wo power wanye hwe CC nso wanye hwe uko bisa na o se me party ni power na sa MP fo na ya mo kasa na 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 eno hwe na wo party ni power as soon as we be win na obete say parliament presidential one no enya wo party no win na wa atro letter resign say me ntime ntuaso me ntime nko parliament house because enya me president na we win na me kwa me ho ba kire me enso enya wo president na we win so mo kwa ha mo de S gracia case wo to case amamo de amu na mo ya no ba ko na mo je na ye na ye to aba ma se mo represent ye na mo nji mpuntundum me ye ni se MP ni kwan but MP ni kwan na de be ko parliament house odo ha ba ko to manim that is why I will represent the constituency no ho no mu hu den no constituency for some betu ye ntin se mo de etu ya say enema bi ko so central region especially ba bi amewo eye me constituency na before then no mamenka say obeje di say na wo ya ye no western north affair o say wo say me fi western na amano so fi ho be ni anwa so be kwai okay be kwai ankasa na me fi alimo ti say what pa ye kasa ni de agu for ye bi dwane jamo godon okay mate ya kwa kunya president bi ase bi wonya ni ba bi ko ni nua be ma ono na ye MP wo ye constituency ho na before I obedani MP no na ye chief executive for Ghana Tourism Development Company na ni nua president no godon wantimi amfa project bi akra amada ono ne da ye funu ba kumu enti afi nkofo se ono ye campaign yankoto abama John Mahama ofi bole na John Mahama mumu ba na obetimi alobi John Mahama no waje project Ediaba Emina.
Abro no ni no president no.
Ntama na ni nua atames ye president.
Went ma fa hwe am.
Me amfa project bi ama. Ba John Mahama ofi bole a fi central region no. Ono ka se yento abama John Mahama na John Mahama mra John Mahama ba no betimi akwa lobby project. No dia breye. Nti isi central region nyina hu se enya de NDC eba power.
Why say ye friend say?
Ye friend Samuel Atames.
Na what two free Professor Mills fie ho ana wala so ti ho.
Why not ba bi Adam chiro.
Papa yin so de wunya de ye wo de. Odi ade na won kom si ni fie no won kire me de.
Godon. Nti isi ade ya adwen se bibi ba na okọ ne nchen a eto da bi excuse na unya obati o se munim se ma ban ni power nti sisia de ye mabu na ho ne ya ka nyina ya adwen ne se esan se Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia e ba benwini nti ye beto aba ma yewura presidenis a o ye MPP parliamentary candidate wo ho na woto aba ne ma no winni a na Dr. Bawumia winni wie na okọ ne nchen a oni excuse bi a ode be ma wa ka che o se ma ban ni power nti ade na wo pese me ye ma no mintimi nya ma ho no ntimi nka sa asem no ye te sa asem no 8 years sisi a amen
okay
nti ye se ye dini be si he ya sabe de free fa be mamponfo
musi ha cha de pi
de free fa be mamponfo onsi he ya na ye nto aso nti ye nyina no se edu 7 December ne ekoto abana wo de me ha ho kra enko hwehwe ba bia wo de to one na kofi say parliamentary candidate to one say presidential candidate to one na ko wani na sorry
yenko UTAG organized labor galamsey fight
godon eden na ba mama kan say the year 2013 na me international NGO bi na ye adwuma innovations for poverty action IPA na me team leader omo de research bi ba ya na ye kwa copy data na de me kopie western north one ye kan ho asem no between board ye ne asanko ye frɛ kro bi hiawa okay Ghana prison service facility bi ho na odu hiawa Obe branch, that is ufi body and equa, obe branch left, obe kokrobi a fraud takwa breman. Godon, the year 2013, I may me team as team leader, may ye kokopie hono.
Why is not holding that? Hey, and then was up with a gentleman. No,
we book young watch me.
I will book up. Sir, actually, be as if she also profit we say. It should be an amicasi. Profit to one you careful. Because it's a bien.
So fear bridge.
Oh, because I free play musi and yo. Oh, because we free play musi and you're not boys need to sub Madame Yena, Yenya, say, now more problems among Tomobo. Now the Professor Buedi and what in the car keep to a people say, Elfa. Who can say was that here or Cotocano? Why, yes, my bed there should be walking in my baby professor. But a lawyer Max Puquajiman. So the lawyer Max Puquajiman. Adopa papa na ko wi ase nya ase getwa adopa
I don't know Charlotte was serious school.
Yes adopa wako na yeni ankasa Dr. George Donfe brawa bro lotu shoni na watwebo Ashtown lotu mimi nim no lotu na ko
cha no me hu na che
na ne ha right na fenti Ashtown ho no obi abecho mu close wa no ma frɛ no
Saturday October 12th yeah launch friends of Bawumia fundraising in US here and therefore
it's almost done. I think I'm launching fundraising for Friends of Bawumia.
You see a campaign, you call out, we need people to go out there. Campaign. There's a lot to it, right? There's logistics, there's resources that you need to push down there to be able to help other people do other things. Even 2 days to election, we still need money because we need police station officers, right? We need people to go out there. And I mean, so I don't know yet, we are still within time to
okay, what they also you're close. There's no clear winner as we speak, and there's 60 days to election, there's no clear winner.
As of now, say it's neck to neck. You're afraid of the margin of error, right? Once you do a poll and there's a margin of error, you cannot stick your neck out. If that margin of error no continue to either party, you cannot stick your neck out that way. And, unless you are clearly above the margin of error, then that's when you can begin to see, then there's no noise in the data. The data is actually being deterministic at that point, leading you to something. And can you say, Yang as MPP for only year? Remember, say, before I was starting with early polls, reports even that were reported by credible stations like OKF and who station RTC. We were far below, we were far down there. Then this was yes. So we knew, sir, once our candidates step in and start doing the job, we'll recover grounds. Until I'm guys, we are very much excited about maybe and the campaign cycle. Okay. Because we knew we're coming from behind, because we've recovered grounds. But there's still more work we have to do. And so, as part of the campaign structure, Dr. Dichum is also being deployed strategically in a different way. What the B24 group, right? So
I know you're excited by Dr. Dichum.
Dr. Dichum, yes. And there's more work I hear on the grounds. I mean, if you say, baby, I want the year cycle, you'll be cycling cycle, we are very much comfortable where we are, and we think that if we put in that extra effort, my only concern is how we can pull our base to come out, because our base will be very critical for us in this election. No two ways about that. See, base, I need more energized to come out. Sister, if you are a bit in and so actually. So now, say we bantama work on the Ashanti region. Some of the things we started doing that, and gradually we are.
And a strategy to move base now Ashanti region to energize them.
Of course, we need the Ashanti region badly. We cannot do without the Ashanti region vote. If we play with Ashanti region votes, it's a FBD and that is very critical for us. It's part of the big pillars in our strategy, and I think that we are on course to doing that. And I like the fact that the running mate was there. And I'll say, so Wachi was leading the efforts there. And to me, he's been leading some good efforts there. But I believe that 60 days in the beginning. Now, you're based, you're critical. Election, independent for tomorrow. Base ones you even need them more because they always have a reason to go and vote. They always have a reason to